Good morning, everybody. Happy Wednesday. So, taking a look at what's on the agenda for today for reading, I am having you guys do the same thing that you did last Wednesday. So, that's working on visualizing. So, you're going to just take a part from your independent novel after you do some reading for about 20 minutes, share a part that you were able to visualize really well. Of course, just like always, if it's not your independent book, isn't a book that visualizing would really be a strategy that you can use, then use the Rhino and Write field. Use the reading from today from the Rhino and Write field. So you still have a fiction book that you're able to do some visualizing with. For writing for today, we're talking about writing powerful endings. So talking about what your ending should look like in your writing. Some of you may not be to your ending yet. You maybe haven't written your ending yet, and that's okay. Keep that in mind when you do get to your ending. Some of you might have written your ending already, and so you're going to have to go back and do some revising and editing. I will be on for writing conferences at about 9:45 today. So if you need a writing conference, come join me. I'd love to hear your writing or help you if you need some help. In math, my main focus from what I saw based on the forms that you guys did on Monday, what I saw was that there's quite a few of you who need a little bit more practice with protractors and measuring angles. So at 10:30, you can meet me on the math questions about math channel right here on Teams, and you guys can join me, and I'm going to do some extra practice and some extra explanation on how to use protractors. If you feel good about it and all that protractor work made sense to you and you don't feel like you need any extra help, that's totally fine. You do not need to join. This is just if you feel like I don't really understand protractors, and if I had a protractor in front of me and you asked me to measure an angle, I wouldn't have a clue how to do it. So if you're feeling like that, join me on Teams today at 10:30 right on the math channel, and that's my main focus. I also posted on the blog some hints for the breakout. Keep in mind that the breakout is not meant to frustrate you if you don't get it, if you weren't able to figure out the locks. That's okay too. This is more of a kind of a for fun digital breakout type thing. I'm going to post the answers to the locks tomorrow, but hopefully you'll be able to get some of those locks open using the hints that I provided on the blog today. So see if you can give that a try, and then just keep continuing working on getting MD5, MD6, and MD7 green on Education Galaxy. And if you've got all of that done, then you are in great shape in math. The just for fun from Monday, what were the two words that he repeated 500 times to make a 1,000 word essay? Nobody knows. So he kind of tricked everyone to about if there's life on Mars. His essay was not really 1,000 words. It was nobody knows 500 times. Check out today's, see if you're able to figure out today's about the 15-letter word, and I will give you guys the answer to that one tomorrow right here. So have a great day today, and let me know if you need anything. Bye, guys.